video, we are going to look at the May-June 2011 Paper 1 Principles of Business. For the first question, which of the following is not a function of money? The answer is A. Indivisibility. Number 2, which of the following are functions of a business unit? The answer is B. 1, 2, and 4. Creation of jobs, education of workers, production of goods and services. Number 3. Which of the following characteristics of the sole trader form of business is not advantageous to the owner? The answer is A. Unlimited liability. Number 4. In a public limited company, the losses are borne by the something. The answer is number 4. Shareholders. Number 5. Which of the following types of business environments is the most typical of the Commonwealth Caribbean? The answer is B. Mixed economy. Number 6. Which of the following responsibilities must be assumed by the management of a company? The answer is D. All of the above. So producing goods of a marketable quality, maximizing efficiency and creating surpluses, determining dividends to be paid to shareholders, and maintaining good communication and human relations with staff. Number 7 refers to the diagram below, which shows a section of a typical vertical organizational chart for a manufacturing company. We have the board of directors, managing director, general manager, then we have the production manager, marketing manager, and chief accountant. Question is, the relationship between the highest level of management down to the various departments is known as a line. Number 8. Setting objectives and the procedures for achieving goals are referred to as D. Planning. Number 9. A major role of a trade union is to encourage C. Advancement of the welfare of its members. Number 10. The primary role of the human resources department of a firm is to A. Hire, recruit, train, and motivate employees. Number 11. Which of the following organizations is least likely to use a management information system? The answer is C. A shoe shine shop. Shoe shine shop. Number 12. Which of the following are functions of the entrepreneur? The answer is C. 1, 2, and 3. Providing finance needed for production, coordinating the factors of production, and undertaking risks by anticipating demand. 13. Cash used to secure a loan at the bank is referred to as D. Collateral. 14. Which of the following situations illustrates entrepreneurship? C. An assistant who developed a software application for his job. 15. An entrepreneur may reduce his risk of loss by planning ahead. 16. An overview of a business plan is contained in the D. Executive summary. 17. Which of the following prevents an agreement from being considered a valid contract? C. Misrepresentation. 18. The monthly payments collected by an insurance company on behalf of its policyholders are known as B. Premiums. 19. Which of the following describes an essential feature of a valid contract? The answer is A. The offer has been communicated to the offeree. 20. A post-dated check is one which A. is dated for payment at a future date. 21. The money used for the day-to-day operations of a business is called D. Working capital. 22. Which of the following is least likely to result from growth in an organization? The answer is C. Increased communication. 23. What is the most likely effect on developing economy when professional and skilled labor migrate to developed countries? The answer is C. Production levels of goods and services will decrease. 24. In the Caribbean, many people are hired for sugarcane farming and very little equipment is used. This industry can best be described as A. Labor intensive. 25. Which of the following factors of production earns interest? The answer is B. Capital. 26. Which of the following factors does not affect the supply of labor? The answer is C. Population census. 27. Which of the following is a product of the manufacturing industry? The answer is B. A car. 28. Which of the following can be described as a marketing activity? The answer is B. Distributing commodities to outlets. 29. The primary function of advertising is to A. Communicate information. 30. Which of the following market situations is typically found where there is a large number of producers and consumers? The answer is B. Perfect market. 31. Which of the following characteristics best describes a perfectly competitive market? The answer is C. Production of almost identical goods. 32. The price of an item is usually high when the number of people wanting to buy it is A. Large and the quantity for sale is small. 33. Which of the following is not a function of the retailer? The answer is D. Transporting goods to suitable storage facilities. Right. 34. Which of the following must be taken into account when packaging goods for retail? The answer is D. Cost, brand, all of the above. So cost, brand protection, and attractiveness. 35. Which of the following can have their shares traded on the stock exchange? The answer is C. Public economies. 36. Tom invests his savings by buying shares in a company. From his investment, Tom expects to receive D. Dividends. 37. Which of the following are responsibilities of commercial banks? C. 1, 2, and 3. So controlling the supply of money, offering loans to small businesses, accepting deposits from customers. 38. Which one of the major functions of a central bank is to issue notes and coins? A. 39. Investment can be defined as B. Additions to the capital stock of a country. 40. Which of the following institutions are not regulated by central banks? D. Joint stock companies. 41. Which of the following graphs shows regressive taxation? D. The line is going downwards. 42. The term subsidies refers to grants given by the government. A. 43. Which of the following measures are used by governments to redistribute income? The answer is C. PAYE and national insurance. 44. Tax paid on wages and salaries is referred to as A. Income tax. 45. Which of the following is not regarded as a role of taxation? The answer is D. Influencing the investment decisions of publicly owned enterprises. 46. Which of the following forms of taxation can be classified as direct? The answer is B. Income tax. 47. Which of the following institutions is involved in protecting the consumer? The answer is A. The Bureau of Standards. 48. A government can correct an adverse foreign exchange problem by B. Increasing customs duties. 49. Which of the following are likely to affect the standard of living in a country? The answer is C, 1, 2, and 3. A high crime rate, a low literacy rate, widespread pollution. 50. Which of the following practices would not contribute to the economic development and growth of a country? The answer is A, increased importation of consumer goods. 51. Which of the following is not a benefit of international trade? The answer is D, import restrictions can be imposed on foreign items. 52. Export licenses are issued mainly to A, enable the government to control the flow of goods being exported. 53. A country has a favorable balance of trade when B, it sells more than it buys. 54. The buying and selling of goods and services among countries is called B, international trade. 55. Which of these methods can a government use to reduce unemployment? B, deflation of the economy. 56. To correct an adverse balance of payments position, a government may B, increase exports. 57. Which of the following trading agreements is Barbados promoting when it sells furniture to Jamaica? The answer is A, CARICOM. 58. Which of the following practices may be most appropriate in solving the unemployment problem in a developing country with a large labor force? The answer is D, 3 and 4. Increase in vocational training programs and greater production through increased labor. #59. Which of the following are major arguments in favor of free trade? D, 2, 3, and 4. Trade specialization, increase in world output, and comparative cost advantage. 60. Which of the following countries are not members of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States? The answer is C, Barbados and Jamaica. And that is it for the end of this paper. Thank you for watching.